Mangwabi is so unnecessary. Unless indoda can tell you one thing and do another, especially muzongena kwisithembu. Ngeke ukwazi wena ukuphuma kwisithembu just because sekhona omunye manje. Akekho ngazi wena muzoqoma indoda ethanda abafazi enesithembu enemali. Into eyodwa uyigwemayo wena ugwema ukuphuma ngenxa yelo mfazi lo ozofika. Why? Because isithembu sendoda yakho. Awunasithembu wena. Remember that as umfazi. Uma ngabe nedrama yakhe is unsolicited, is unneeded, asichazekile ngaye, lento yenzayo is just showing ukuthi nje yena unenkinga nosamke. Yebo lokugwebhana that they do on the show, Mselegu naye futhi Mangwabi, is unnecessary. Iyakhombisa ukuthi laba bayathandana. Umangwabi has been benefiting. Mangithi she's been benefiting. Abantu bazongiphikisa in the comments ngiyabazi vele. Kodwa engena kulesi thembu lesi, things have been going according to her plan. Manje because sekhona number 5 akusahambisani namaplan akhe lo Mangwabi kulesi thembu lesi esendoda yakhe. And manje uBamselegu has bought them houses. Do you really think lo mfazi lo uzojika? Do you really think uzoshiya umuzi wakhe omusha njalo? That time uBamselegu has not even bought a house for Samke. Uzohlala eMzumbe and umakhelwane wakhe uSinene of all people. Kodwa the only lady that had a whole house outside the homestead of Mselegu was uMacele. Cela ukwazi ngani guys, isithembu esinjani leso? Isithembu esinjani because it's obvious Mselegu is trying by all means to make his wives happy. Kodwa bona bajabula ngomuntu that they don't even know. And remember, uMakhumalo was busy questioning Mselegu ukuthi hayibo najaha ngaka i-housing yona. I-housing beyazi vele indaba uMakhumalo beyazi vele ukuthi umngane akaka indawo, she's gonna get a house, we all gonna get houses. Lapho usamke usamncane guys, usamncane musha yena, but the things that they have been putting her through as if umfazi omdala. And umama omkhulumelayo uMacele of all mothers, even indoda yakhe ayimkhulumeli the way uMacele is speaking for usamke. And I'm telling you now, labafazi bayazi vele benzani. They know ukuthi yabo ukuthwalisa uMselegu ngamapayipi. Umuntu ozokhala kakhulu ekugcineni uSamkeni. They know that because abayindawo uMangwabi noThobile. Yazi mina I don't understand why abantu abayiboni leyo nto. I understand ukuthi why nitshela ukuthi umuntu okhala kangaka usazohamba. Umuntu mezohamba guys akakhali ehambela. Ubone seyiphuma guys. Ubone seyiphuma ukuthi hayibo kanti ngampela seyahamba. Into eyenza uMangwabi is just to show ukuthi yakwazi ukwata. Izophela nje uthando nesithembu season 8. And nitshela ukuthi in season 9 uMangwabi is not going to be there. Ngenxa yekuthini